Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sarel van Grenen, aka Mr. VG, and man, I am excited to be here with you. Today we're starting a journey about financial mathematics. Now, financial mathematics is one of my favorite sections in mathematics because it is so applicable to your life one day. And not just even one day, but actually every day of your life. Now, this video specifically is about decision trees. So let's dive into this and let's get going. One of the biggest problems I've ever seen in mathematics is that students pick the wrong formula. The problem with picking the wrong formula in a matric exam, no matter how awesome you are at solving the scenario, you only get 1 or 2 marks max, depending on how generous your teacher is with you. So let's have a look at my little bit of a tip that I'm going to give you in this short video. Today is about decision trees. So the first question you always ask yourself is, how many payments are there going to be? So if there is a once-off payment, or there's going to be periodic payments, meaning you're going to have either a single payment or a single loan you're going to take out, and you're going to have one payment at the end, or you're going to repay every single month or every single quarter, maybe even every year. It depends on the scenario. But if you've got once-off payments, you ask yourself the question, is it growing? So is your investment growing, your loan growing, or is it depreciating? In other words, it's going down in value. If it is a growing formula, then it's only going to be simple interest or compound interest. Now, here's a little bit of a sneaky we can pull on you. Be careful. We can ask higher purchase in the matric exam. I haven't seen it come up, but who knows? So maybe go back to grade 10 and just make 100% sure that we're not going to ask higher purchase. But most of the time, we are going to use compound interest coupled with solving for n, because that's new in grade 12. How do we solve n again? By using logarithms. Man, we're bringing everything into maths. Life is awesome, guys. I love it. But this is where life becomes a bit weird for you guys. So let's have a look at depreciating. In depreciating, you're either going to have straight line, but that's usually for small little things. Or we're going to have reducing balance. That's usually for cars or for equipment. There you are going to use the reducing balance. Again, reducing balance, look out for solving n. We get to matric work, which is about periodic payments. Now the big question comes up. When do you want that money? If you want the money at the beginning, then you are going to use the present value formula. Now, why would I want the value at the beginning? Home loans. I mean, you're going to get the money now and only repay over the next 20 years. But please, look out for the videos. I'm going to show you some dirty little tricks about how to cheat the system, because you've got to be careful. The system is meant, I'm talking about the system as being the economic system, is meant to advantage the banks. So I'm going to share some tricks with you when we get to actually buying houses and how do you pay it off quicker and save money. Then the second type of formula is going to be when I want the money at the end. So in other words, I'm saving up towards a common goal. Whether that common goal be 10 years or when you retire. So the big thing with this is, I want you to go through these kind of decisions every time you see a maths sum. So let me just quickly do a recap. You're going to ask yourself, is it once off or is it periodic, paying every month? If it is once off, is it growing or is it depreciating? If it's periodic, so repaying every month or every quarter or every year, when do I want the money? Beginning or end? In this way, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to eliminate the unnecessary formulas. And hopefully, this will help you to score most of your marks. And this is now the end of my very, very short video. I think it is actually one of my shortest videos I've ever made, so you can count yourself lucky. Maybe next time I'm going to do a bit of a longer video. So let me finish off. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. Thank you for gracing me with your presence. Look out for our next video that's going to be about present value annuities and all of the sneaky things that we ask in that. Tune in and subscribe. Have a beautiful, amazing, fantastic day. This is Mr. VG signing out. Cheers.